All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn the truck on and see if it fires up. There it goes, it's booting up. The unit came on perfectly. It took a little time to boot up for the first time. Once it's connected and you're using it regularly, it's gonna boot up really fast and it's gonna connect to your CarPlay super quick. We're gonna check the backup camera real quick and make sure we got it plugged into the right port. Boom, we did. We either got lucky or we know what we're doing. Now that we know everything is working properly, we can go ahead and seat the head unit into the dash. We'll put the climate control back in and our trim pieces. We'll line up the AC vents, make sure those slide in nice and snug. And then we're gonna put some firm pressure on each side until those clips snap in. All right, there we go. Now that we got the head unit in, we still have our 10 mil bolts. Make sure that your brackets are lined up with all the holes. And we're gonna put those bolts back in and then install the climate control. Fully installed, now we're gonna grab our climate control and snap that back in. And our last little trim piece. All right, and we're all done.
There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse, and the memories.
If you want to learn more about Dasaita's G12 head unit, head over to my channel. I have a very detailed video about all the functions of their G12 head unit. This one right here that I installed my 2012 Toyota Tundra. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a Dasaita head unit, let me know down in the comments below what you think. I think the installation was super simple. With the guides and the detailed instructions that they supply, it cannot be any easier. It's definitely a DIY task that almost anybody can do. If you have any questions about your installation, if you're stuck in a part, any questions at all, put them down in the comments below. I try to answer as many comments as I possibly can, and I'm always happy to help you guys out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.